Salut mes amis, bienvenue à Lingo Learners Top. In my previous video, I talked about the colors in French. And in this video, I will talk about the general confusion that beginners have regarding the usage of the color brown in French. It's very simple, you just need to understand the context properly. Alright, let's begin. In French, you have two words for the color brown, marron and brun. The meaning of both the words is brown, but they are used in different contexts. So let's understand this color in detail. First, we will talk about the word brun. Masculine singular, brun. Masculine plural, brun. Feminine singular, brun. Feminine plural, brun. It's more like the tan brown and it has a yellow-orange tone to it. When we talk about the race, we talk about the skin color. So in that context also, we use this color brown. Also, when we talk about the hair color, we use this word brown. Now there are 3 examples given and I hope that will make it clearer to you. Par exemple, Catherine a des cheveux bruns aux épaules. That is, Catherine has shoulder-length brown hair. Another example, un homme brun, a brown man. So when you talk about Indian men, you can also use this color, brun. I have no intention of spreading racism, it's just for your knowledge, so please pardon me for that. Also, when we talk about the fur or animals, we use the color brun. For example, un ours brun, a brown bear. Now here the brown refers to the fur of the bear. A brown bear, un ours brun. Moving on to the word marron. Now in all other contexts, we use the word marron while referring to the color brown. Marron has an orange-red tone to it. It's more like a reddish brown. Now, here are a few examples. Je porte des chaussures marron. I'm wearing brown shoes. J'ai des yeux marrons. I have brown eyes. J'achète une ceinture marron. I'm buying a brown belt. So, in such context, we use the word marron. Alors, c'est tout. J'espère que la différence entre la couleur marron et brun est claire à vous. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And guys, please share the link as much as possible. Au revoir, à bientôt.